to 6-year-old Super. Today we have a flat tire. So we're gonna take it off and put some pipes in it and pump it back up and then put it back on. Now we unscrewed the bolts that are on these two. Like this. So now we're ready to take the tire off. The thing that's in the tire is a tire lever, so we're gonna push it like this and then hook it up to the bike. There. Now we're gonna pull it around like this. Now we've done it, and now we're gonna reach in and pull the tube out. Ooh, rubber. Took the old pipe out, and here's our new pipe. Look at the size of it, and get a pipe that fits it. But before, run your finger around to see if anything that sharp caused the hole in it. Now we have the new pipe, and take this off, and then feed it through this way. Find the hole that it goes in, and put it through the hole like this. The tube is in. You put the white part back in like this. Once the tube is in, get an air pump and put it on and inflate it. After we pump it up, we get the cap and put it onto the air. After you got the cap on, put it in the tire. Now we're gonna screw the bolts on. Now you got your tire on, put your helmet on, and go to the bike races.